Hello students, now discuss the differential equation. Differential equation of the exercise of a variable and separable. The question as the variable and separable of NCERT, the question number 15. Question number 15. Now question number 15 as find the equation of curve. Find the equation of curve passing through the point 0, 0 and whose differential equation is y dash e power x sin x. y dash e power x sin x. Now this equation can be written as dy by dx equal to e power x sin x and dy equal to e power x sin x dx. Now this equation can integrate on both sides that we find the value. So we integrate dy and integrate this, that is y equal to e power x and sin x. Such type of integration is the integrating by part, because this integration have a two function, one as the e power x and other is the sin x. So integral as a product of two function. Now integrate it by the integrating by part. So first function integral of second minus dy dx. First function integral of second dx whole dx. So it can be written as e power x cos x minus e power x cos x dx plus. Now e power x cos x, e power x cos x is also the integral of two functions. Now let y is equal to I and I is equal to e power x sin x dx e power x cos x plus e power x cos x dx. And e power x cos x is an other function. E power x cos x is an other function minus e power x cos x plus e power x integral of cos x dx minus dy dx e power x integral cos x dx. and whole dx. So this integral I equal to minus e power x cos x plus e power x sin x minus e power x sin x dx. E power x sin x dx and the e power x I equal to e power x sin x minus e power x cos x minus I, that is 2I, equal to e power x sin x minus cos x and I equal to e power x by 2 sin x minus cos x. So y is equal to e power x sin x minus cos x. Now the value of x as well as value of y, value of x as well as value of y, and such equation is this equation is passes through 0 0. So y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, e power 0 sin 0 0 minus 1 plus c, and therefore c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Now once again we repeat the expansion. The question is given, and in this question the equation y dash e power x sin x, y dash can be written as dy by dx e power x sin x. Now dy by dx and dy and dx can be separated both sides and integrate after that. So integration of dy is y and integration of e power x sin x dx. Now y is equal to I and I is equal to e power x sin x. So we get the integration. After that we get I equal to minus e power x cos x plus e power x sin x minus integral e power x sin x dx. So we get the value of I equal to e power x by 2 sin x minus cos x, and y equal to e power x by 2 e power x by 2. So C y equal to e power x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. Such type of equation is passes through the 0 0. Such type of equation is passes through the 0 0 and putting the value of x and y is 0. So we get the result c equal to 1 by 2, and putting the value of c in the given equation, putting the value of c in the given equation, e power x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus 1 by 2 and 2y minus 1 equal to e power x sin x minus cos x. This is the required solution of given question. This is the required solution of given question. Clear? Okay, next question. Next question. For the differential equation, question number 16, for the differential equation xy dy by dx equal to x plus 2 y plus 2. Find the solution curve passing through the point 1 minus 1. So the given differential equation dy upon y plus 2 equal to x plus 2 upon x dx, and y plus 2 minus 2 upon y plus 2 dy equal to 1 plus 2 by x dx. After that, 1 minus 2 upon y plus 2 dy equal to 1 plus 2 by x dx. After that, After the integral of that, y equal to y minus 2 log y plus 2 equal to x plus 2 log x plus log c, 2 log x plus log c. Two log x plus c. It can be written as y equal to x plus 2 log y plus 2 plus 2 log x plus c, and y equal to x plus log y plus 2 whole square into x square plus c. Now putting the value minus 1 plus log minus 1 plus 2 whole square 1 square plus c, minus 1 equal to 1 plus log 1 plus c. Log 1 is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 2. So therefore the required result is y is equal to x plus log x square y plus 2 whole square minus 2 is the required solution of differential equation. This is the required solution of differential equation. Clear? Okay, thank you.